There's something so soothing about being in nature. Today, I'll be sharing 7 different ways I like to connect in nature to relax and de-stress, as well as 2 contour drawing prompts and tutorials. Nature walks especially can be really calming, just noticing the different shapes and textures, being in all of the elements, noticing the sounds around you, or perhaps feeling the breeze on your skin. It can very much feel like a meditative practice. You might notice the colors around you, especially around fall seasons or when the sun is just right. You might notice delicate flowers and the shapes around them, perhaps how they move in the wind and how they breeze about. Exploring contour drawing, a simple creative drawing practice where you allow your pen to remain on the page the entire time, is really lovely to explore with nature walks. You can have just your journal and a pen. You can also use the image or these videos as a reference to begin your tracing and marks. And contour drawing can be really relaxing. It's also a practice in letting go, because that creative restriction of keeping the pen on the page automatically means that some of your marks might look like scribbles, and that's okay. There's a freedom, whether you're creating contour drawings in nature or looking at pictures or videos, you can go back and forth between your marks and the image. You can also, as a practice with contour drawing, keep your eyes solely on the object that you're creating. So only allowing your gaze to return back to your page after you've created it. Almost an invitation to be surprised by this really simple mindful art activity. You may want to meditate on the sounds when you're in nature. Perhaps ocean waves matching to your breath can be a really lovely meditation, or hearing your feet walking on gravel or in sand. There's really so much information that we can take in nature, and there's this automatic slowing down that starts to happen in our nervous systems, in our breath, and that slowing down can also translate to the art making and marks that we make on the page. If you're not able to get out in nature, perhaps you live in a city, you can also find smaller details like this puddle on the ground with rain. So it can be a challenge. You can challenge yourself to explore different ways of seeing. And if you're not able to get outside at all, there's also the opportunity to notice nature within your home or within your space, perhaps a plant or even rain on the windowsill. Plants are especially great to explore with contour drawing. So in this contour drawing tutorial, again, the intention is to keep your pen or pencil on the page the entire time, to work quickly, or if not quickly, at least freely, almost like free writing. Again, we're not judging the marks that we're making, allowing your gaze to glance back and forth between the garden piece or image. I think you might enjoy these other videos, and then I will see you tomorrow for our next day of our 30-day art challenge.